First, we need to register the button into display receiver. We assume this button is O1. This button is O2. Now we start register. O1. Press N key on the button O1. Then, after we hear ding dong, the register successfully. The same for button O2. Press N key on the button. Then, when we press order on the button O1,
order,
the screen will show O1, and at the same time, it will broadcast O1 order.
O1 service. O water. O1 bill.
The same for O2.
O2 order. O2 service. O2 water. O2 bill.
It's done.